Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system. This is your maths lecture. Today we are going to do Unit 5 simplifications of your book Maths Wise. Using board mass rule, find the values of exercise 5a. Using board mass rule, find the values of. Stand for the board mass rule. Board mass. Stand. What is board mass? B stand for brackets, O stand for orders, and D stand for divisions, M stand for multiplications, A stand for additions, and S stand for subtractions. Board mass. Board mass, brackets, orders, division, multiplications, additions, and subtractions. Board mass. And what is board mass rule? The board mass rule states we should calculate the bracket first. Bracket first, then the order, then any division or multiplication, the answer to the brackets, and finally an addition or subtractions. Children can get the wrong answer by working from left to right. Okay, we start question number 1, part A. 4 over 7 divide 6 over 7 of 8 over 9 plus 1 by 4. Solution: 4 over 7 divide 6 over 7 of 8 over 9 plus 1 over 4. 6 over 7 of 8 over 9. 6 over 7 multiply by 8 over 9. 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 8 2 is 16, 7 3 is 21. 4 over 7 divide 8 2 is 16, 7 3 is 21 plus 1 by 1 over 4 equal 4 over 7 divide convert into multiplication, then the value is reciprocal. 21 over 16, 21 over 16 plus 1 over 4, 4 4 is 16, 7 3 is 21, 7 3 is 21 plus 1 over 4 equal 1 multiplied by 3, 1 multiplied by 3 and 1 multiplied by 4 plus 1 over 4. 3 ones are 3, 4 ones are 4, 3 over 4 plus 1 over 4 equal 4 is common, so LCM is 4, and when we add these number we get the answer 4. 3 plus 1 equal 4, 4 divided by 4 equal 4 ones are 4. Part B. 3 by 2 over 3 minus 3 over 11 of 2 by 3 over 4 divide 1 by 1 over 4 multiply 1 by 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3. 3 3 is 9, 9 plus 2, 11 over 3 minus 3 over 11 of 4 to the 8. 4 to the proper fraction में करेंगे. 4 to the 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 over 4 divide 4 ones are 4, 4 and 1 5, 5 over 4 multiply 3 ones are 3, 3 and 2 5, 5 over 3 plus 1 over 3 equal 11 over 3 minus 3 over 11 of 11 over 4 of 11 over 4 divide 5 over 4 multiply 5 over 3 value 3 over 4, 3 over 4 divide 5 over 4, divide 5 over 4 multiply 5 over 3 plus 1 over 3, 11 ones are 11 cancel, 3 over 4 equal 11 over 3 minus 3 over 4 multiply by division into division convert into multiply, then the whole value is reciprocal. 4 over 5, 4 4 से cancel, 3 and multiply by 5 over 3 plus 1 over 3, 3 3 से cancel, 5 5 से cancel, 1 3 1 जा 3, 4 1 जा 4, 5 1 जा 5, 1 multiply by 1, 1 1 जा 1 and 1 1 जा 1 plus 1 over 3 equal 11 over 3 minus 1 over 1 plus 1 over 3 equal 11 3 minus 1 plus 3, 3 minus 1 plus 3, and 3 is your LCM. 11 minus 1 plus 1, 11 minus 1 plus 1, 11 minus 1 equal 10, 10 plus 1 equal 11, 11 over 3, 11 divided by 3, 3 3 is a 9, 11 minus 2, 11 minus 9 equal 2, so 3 by 2 over 3. Part C, 1 minus 4 over 7 minus 1 over 3 of 3 by 3 over 4 plus 1 over 2 divide 3. First of all, question 1 minus 4 over 7 minus 1 over 3 of 3 by 3 over 4 plus 1 over 2 divide 3. First of all, we convert to proper fraction. 1 minus 4 over 7 minus 1 over 3 of multiply 3 4 is 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 over 4 plus 1 over 2 divide 3, 3 5 is 15, cancel, 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15. 1 minus 4 over 7 minus 5 1 is 5, 4 1 is 4 minus 5 over 4 plus 1 over 2 डिवाइड 3 over 1, इसका डिनोमिनेटर नहीं होता, उसका 1 होता है. 1 minus 4 over 7 minus 5 over 4 plus 1 over 2 divide 3 over 1, 3 over 1. मिस्टेकनली रिटर्न डिवाइड इस जगह पर मल्टीप्लाई आएगा, मल्टीप्लाई का होल वैल्यू कन्वर्ट हो जाएगी 1/3 हो जाएगी. 1 minus 4 over 7 minus 5 over 4 plus 1 over 6, 1 1 जा 1, 3 2 जा 6 plus 6. 1 minus 7 over 4 minus 5 over 4 plus 1 over 6, 7 4 and 6. LCM by 7 4 and 6, least common factor पे 7 4 and 6, 7 4 जा 7 4 are 28 and multiply by 6 and find the LCM of 7 4 and 6 equal 84. 84 184 is 84, 84 1 is 84 minus 7 84, 7 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 84, 12, 7 12 is 84, 12 4 is 48 minus 4 4 2 is 8, 4 1 is 4, 21, 4 21 is 84, 21 multiplied by 5, 105 plus 6, 6 1 is 6, 2 carry, 6 4 is 24, 6 4 is 24, 14, 14 1 is 14, and 84 minus 48 minus 105 plus 14. 84 minus 48 equal 36 minus 105 plus 14. 36 minus 105 minus 69 plus 14 plus 14 minus 69 plus 14 equal minus 54 minus 55 minus 55 minus 55 over 84, mistakenly written by 44, no 84, this value is 84 minus 55 over 84. Part D, 2 over 3 plus 4 over 9 bracket of 3 over 5 plus 1 by 2 over 3 multiply 1 by 1 over 4 minus 1 over 3. 2 over 3 plus 4 over 9 of 3 over 5 plus 1 by 2 over 3 multiply by 1 by 1 over 4 minus 1 over 3. First of all, we solve the bracket. 2 over 3 plus 4 over 9 and 3. LCM is 9. 3 3 is 9. 3 3 2 is 6. Plus 9 1 is 9. 1 1 4 is 4. 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 over 9 of 3 over 5 plus 5 over 3. 3 1 is 3. 3 and 2 5. 5 over 3 multiply. 4 1 is 4. 4 and 1 5. 5 over 4 minus 1 over 3. 6 plus 4 10. 10 over 9 of multiply. Of is convert. Multiply. Multiply 3 over 5. 5 to the 10. 3 1 is 3. 3 3 is 9. Plus 5 over 3 multiply 5 over 4 minus 1 over 3. And 2 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. 3 1s are 3. 2 over 3 plus 25 over 12. 5 5s are 25. 3 4s are 12 minus 1 over 3. 2 over 3 plus 25 over 12 minus 1 over 3 equal 3 12 and 3. 3 12 and find the LCM of 3 12 and 3 equal 12. 3 4 are 12. 4 2s are 8. 12 12 1s are 12. 25 1s are 25 minus 1 by 3. 3 4s are 12 minus 4. Simple 4. 4 1s are 4 minus 4. 8 plus 25 minus 4. 8 plus 25 minus 4. 8 minus 4 equal 4. 4 plus 25 equal 29. 29 over 12. 29 divided by 12. 12 1s are 12. 12 2s are 24. 12 3s are 36. 12 2s are 24. 29 when subtract 24 from 29, so we get answer 2 by 5 over 12. 2 by 5 over 12. 2 by 5 over 12. Part E, 14 over 15 divide 1 by 1 over 6 plus 7 over 10 bracket close multiply by 3 over 4. Solution 14 over 5 minus 1 by 1 over 6. 6 plus 7 over 10 multiply by 3 over 4. Multiply 3 over 4 and 14 over 15 divide 6 1 6 6 and 1 7 7 over 6 plus 7 over 10 multiply 3 over 4. 14 over 15 divide division convert into multiplication, so the whole value is reciprocal 6 over 7. 6 over 7. 7 1 is 7. 7 2 is 14. 3 2 is 6. 3 5 is 15. 2 2 is 4. 5 1 is 5 plus 7 over 10 multiply by 3 over 4. 2 2 is 4. 5 1 is 5 plus 7 over 10 multiply 3 over 4. 5 and 10. When we find the LCM of 5 and 10, so we get the LCM 10. 5 2s are 10. डिनोमिनेटर से डिवाइड होगा 5 2s are 10. We get answer the value of 2. 5 to the 10. 2 multiplied by 4. 2 4s are 8 plus 10 1s are 10. We get the answer 1. 7 1s are and 1 multiplied by 7. 1 7s are 7. 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 over 10 multiplied by 3 by 4 is carried down. 8 plus 7 equal 15. When we add these numbers, we get the answer 15. 15 over 10 multiply 3 over 4. 15 over 10 multiply by 3 over 4. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 3 over 2 multiply 3 over 4. 4 2s are 8. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. And 9 fraction 9 over 8. 9 fraction by 8. 9 over 8. 9 divided by 8. When 9 divided by 8, 8 ones are 8 and 9 minus 8 equal 1. So we get the answer 1 by 1 over 8. Part F, 1 over 4 minus 1 over 9 divide 1 over 2 divide 1 over 4 divide 1 over 3. 1 over 4 minus 1 over 9 divide 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 divide 1 over 3. First of all, we solve the bracket 1 over 4 minus 1 over 9 and the two digits 4 and 9. When we find the LCM 4 and 9, 9 4s are 36, 4 is even number and 9 is odd number. So multiply by two digits, 9 multiplied by 4, 9 4s are 36 and 36 divided by 4, 4 9s are 36. Answer, we get the answer 9, 9 1s are 9 minus 9 4s are 36, 4 1s are 4, 9 minus 4 over 36 divide 1 by 2 plus 1 over 4, division convert into multiplication and the whole value is reciprocal 3 over 1. 9 minus 4 equal 5, 5 over 36 divide 1 over 2 plus 3 over 4, 1 over 2 plus 3 over 4, 3 1s are 3, 4 1s are 4, 1 over 2 plus 3 over 4, 5 over 36 divide 1 over 2 plus 3 over 4, 4 and 2. When we find the LCM of 4, when we find the LCM 2 and 4, we get the answer 4, the LCM of 4, and 4 divided by 2, 2 2s are 4, we will get answer the 2, 2 1s are 2 plus 4 1s are 4, answer is 1, 1 3s are 3, 2 plus 3, 5 over 36 divide 5 over 4, 5 over 36 and division convert into multiplication form and the whole value is reciprocal 4 over 5, 4 over 5, 5 1s are 5, 4 1s are 4, 4 9s are 36, 1 over 9, 1 1s are 1, 1 multiplied by 1 and 9 multiplied by 1, 1 1s are 1, 9 1s are 9, part G. 4 minus 6, bracket start 6 minus mid bracket start 7 minus small bracket start 8 minus 6 minus 3 bar, small bracket close, mid close and large bracket close. 4 minus 6 minus 7 minus 8 minus 6 minus 3. First of all, we solve the bar. 6 minus 3, 6 minus 3, minus 6 minus 3. 4 minus 6 minus mid bracket start 7 minus 6 minus 3 minus 6 minus 3, minus 6 minus 3. No, 8 minus 6 minus 3, 6 minus 3, 6 minus 3 equal 3. And we solve 8 minus 3, 6 minus 3 equal 3, 8 minus 3, 4 minus 6 minus 7 minus 5, 8 minus 3, 8 minus 3, 8. When 3 subtract from 8, we get the answer 5. 4 minus 6 minus 7 minus 5 equal 4 minus 6, 7 minus 5, 7 less 5 equal 2. When 5 subtract from 7, we get the answer 2, 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 equal 4, 4 minus 4 equal to 0. Part H. Part H is same as it is part G. And next part I. 5 plus bracket start 5 multiplied by 8 divide 2 minus 3 mid bracket close divide 53 minus 42. 5 plus 5 multiplied by 8 divide 2 minus 3 divide 53 minus 42. First of all, we solve the brackets. 5 plus 5 multiplied by 8, 5 8s are 40, divide 2 minus 3 mid bracket close divide 53 minus 42, 42 subtract from 53, we get the answer 11. 5 plus 40 divide 2 minus 3 mid bracket close divide 11. 2 20s are 40. 5 plus 20 minus 3 divide 11. 5 plus 20, first of all mid bracket, solve the mid bracket. 20 plus 5 25 minus 3 divide 11. 25 minus 3 22. 22 divide 11. 11 2s are 22. 22 divided by 11 is get your answer is equal to. Exercise 5a. A farmer plucked 75 fruits from the first tree, 196 from the second, and 125 from the third. He then packed them equally in 12 baskets. How many fruits did he pack in each basket? Total fruits plucked by farmer 75, 196 and 125. 75 plus 196 plus 125 equal 396. Total baskets 12. Total basket 12. Number of fruits in one basket 396 divide 12. 12 3 the 36. 3 carry 12 3 the 36. So we get answer 33 fruits did he pack in each basket. Thus each basket has 33 fruits. Mr. Usman collected 8 boxes of old textbooks from his primary school students for distribution among underprivileged of a certain residential area. 563 needy students were present that day. Each student got 4 books. 25 books were in very bad shape and were kept aside. 19 books were still left after the distribution. How many books did Mr. Usman bring, and how many were there in each box? Total boxes of books 8. Total needy student 563. Number of books each needy student got 4. Number of books 563 students got. 563 multiplied by 4. 4 3 is 12. 1 carry 6 4 is 24. 24 and 1 plus 25 5. Put down and 2 carry 5 4 is 20. 20 plus 2 22. 2252. Number of books in bad shape 25. 25 books were in bad shape. Number of books in bad shape 25. Number of books left after distribution 19. 19. Total number of books Mr. Usman brought 2252 plus 25 plus 19. So mistakenly 99 is 19. This is 19. Total 2296 books. Number of books each box contain 2296 divide 8 equal 287. Thus each box contain 287 books. Question number 4. 500 students have signed up for an outing. The school has hired buses, each of which can seat exactly 75 children. How many buses are needed for outing if no one is left behind? Total student 500. Number of students that can sit in one bus 75. Number of buses needed for outgoing 500 divide 75. 500 divide 75 equal 6 by 50 over 75. Therefore 7 buses are needed for outing. 6 by 50 over 75. Therefore roundabout and approximately 7 buses are needed for outing. Basit is reading a book for the past 2 nights. He reads 75 pages every day. He still has 189 pages left. How many pages does his book have in total? Number of pages he read in one day equals 75. Number of pages he read in one fortnight, 15 days, 15 multiplied by 75. 15 multiplied by 75, 1125, 1125. 1124, one fortnight, 15 days. Number of pages left 189, 140 night, 15 days per 140 night. One fortnight is contained to 40 15 days. 75 multiplied by 15, 1125. Number of pages left 189. Total pages in the book 1125 plus 189. Total page in the book 1314. 1314 pages of this book. Now we have completed our unit 5. Make sure the practice at your home. Thank you students. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz. Stay at home. Take care yourself.